Hello everyone, my name is Prodigy, and welcome to my tutorial. So basically, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing y'all how I made this short.
Guilty.
People from all walks of life on the train like cold smashed ice. Vagabonds and marriages that's gone wrong. Glory, death, and coffee shops. TV categories called reality. Polluted nature by corrupt ministries. We're all passengers. Let loose on the train. Have fun, don't stay sane. It's a part of the game. Oh, ha. That rumbling sound. In every building, a gamer.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna, well, not the entirety of it. I do want to point that out. It's gonna probably be, I'm gonna do a small clip of it actually. Yes, I do know that, like, if y'all are looking at the screen right now, it is 30 minutes. But yeah, let me pull up the clip. But yeah, a 30-minute long video got turned into 1 minute 15 seconds, which says something. But the reason why I wanted to do this tutorial is because, well, it's not as easy or as simple as you would think. What's funny about this is I was the actor in all of it, and, well, basically, I had no help. It was all me. And I want to show y'all how I did it. So, first thing that we're going to start off with is basically what I did to bring in two different people, which is just me and two different avatars at two different point in times. I would recommend having a PC whenever you film this, because on vrchat I used the stream camera to capture this layout, and then it was easy and I didn't have to somehow fix everything with the slight movement. And also, I'm not sure how you would do it without having a PC and just doing it with regular visuals. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna cut it right here. Yeah. Yeah, that feels about right, because then I think I change avatars right after that. Uh, yeah, I do. Alright. So that's the cop avatar, and we're going to, let's see, I did a lot of different angles. Right there. Yeah, right there. Alright. So we're gonna just reverse that slightly, and right there. I feel like is a good place to put it. So if I'll cut that right there, come on, yep. I'm gonna cut that, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just bring the layer on top, right? Top. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the masks tool right here. Also, I am using CapCut. Um, but yeah. Also, y'all will notice that my video clip for the cop is longer than my video clip for me. Uh, I'll show you how to fix that in a second. So basically, first use the horizontal mask tool and put at 90 degrees. Once you do that, just bring it all the way. Don't even worry about it. You want to make sure that your character walks in front of everything and the mask tool doesn't interrupt the air walking. And yeah, alright, that looks good. So, I think, yeah, let me bring up my cop footage a little bit, because I want my cop to walk in afterwards, which I feel like makes sense. Anyways, so, hang on. Is it good, please? Yeah, I feel like I could bring it a little bit backwards. Alright, let's see. How do I feel about that? They're overlapping, so a little bit forwards. Alright, let's see. Yeah, I don't know. Sure. We're gonna go with that right now. I think. Yeah. Okay, and then y'all see this. It's the keyframe tool. What I want y'all to do is just let the video go a little forwards, and then just drag the keyframe in the middle of both of them, and basically just keep doing that. Hang on. All right. So basically, hang on. Let me just fix that. If it works. Yep. All right. So now that you have the keyframe, it should work properly. You may have to go back into it. All right. Oh yeah, this is what I was talking about. How your clip may be shorter. So what I want y'all to do is I want y'all to hang on. I want y'all to go to y'all's regular clip and then hit the freeze button. It's right there, and boom. Then basically just drag that to the length to the end of the scene. And now you're standing there. You could also loop the animation if you want to, like this one, and just have it continuously do that so you have movement. But I think the freeze frame will work just as well, honestly. Um, I mean, I'm definitely happy with it. And so now there's two different things. But I think I'm also going to cut it slightly. Hang on. All right, I think right there's a good cut. Yeah. All right, Control B, and then just delete. And basically, now you should. Oh, that's a problem. I need to fix that. Why is it doing that? Alright, do I have a mask? Nope. So it's only on the cop footage. It's probably. I don't know. Hang on. You know what? I'm going to just bring the footage back slightly. Or forward. Or not back. Bring it forward slightly. And then. There we go. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, you're gonna have to fix it slightly, I think, if you haven't fixed it. And sometimes bringing it forward won't fix it. That's also something. Let me just drag this back slightly. And, that's definitely something you have to look out for. And now let's just play this to see if everything looks fine. Come on. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. You know what? I'm happy with that. So, yeah, I think that's literally it. It's a short, simple thing that it doesn't take too much time. Also, yes, this is a voiceover because I recorded the visuals first. Um, because I had trouble recording audio. There was supposed to be audio with these visuals, but there wasn't, so I have to re-record this hours later. Anyways, sorry. I shouldn't be complaining. Um, also, if Also, I want to drag this here, and I want to show y'all another scene that I did that I feel like would be a little bit harder. That one, hang on. Right here. You see how it overlaps the characters? Yeah, that's also another one with just me, and I want to do a tutorial on that scene, but I'm not sure if y'all want to see it. So if y'all do, leave a like, let me know in the comments, because I feel like that's a bit harder from doing just this short little thing that's so much easier. You got to do a mask, and that's about it. And then just keyframe it. But after that, I think that's all I have to say. I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day, and thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time, and goodbye.